Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening the browser and system settings. Sign in if required so history links to your account. Once done, click the browser menu, 3 dots or bars, and choose History or Settings. Make sure to also open Windows Settings or macOS System Preferences if you want system-level search history. You'll need to grant access in Privacy Settings. This connects browser, search engine, and OS logs so you can view combined results later. Follow these first steps exactly to avoid missing records. You now open the browser history view using keyboard shortcuts like Ctrl+H or Command+Y. This drops you straight into recent entries. Once there, filter by date range, keyword, or domain to narrow results. Use the search box at the top. Make sure to inspect synced devices or other devices sections so you don't miss entries from phones or tablets. If you use a signed-in account, open My Activity on the search engine to see broader search logs and cross-check with browser records for completeness. You finish by exporting or saving any needed records, using browser tools or account activity pages to download history. Then, if you want to remove traces, open Clear Browsing Data and choose Time Range and Data Types, Cookies, Cache, History, and Confirm. Make sure to toggle Sync off first so deletions propagate correctly. If things go wrong, check that sync is enabled and privacy settings haven't blocked history logging. If history's still missing, sign out and back into the account and repeat the search.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.